Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. This is a SEMO Wax Melts haul. Sorry, I am slightly distracted for just a second. So here is her card, and it just says thank you for your order, and then she just writes thank you. I don't know why I said it in that voice. Okay, so apparently if you ordered from her restock, she was giving away, I don't know if it was just random or whoever ordered first or whatever, but she gave away the sweet stickers from Sweet Bean Plans. And I don't know, did anyone else fall into the, oh gosh, planning, what is it called? It was like the planning community, but it had a different name, like the sticker planning, I don't know. I'm trying to think. I've been out of it for a while. So I used to have a ton of these stickers. I still have a few. I remember I sent a whole bunch to somebody and I can't remember who it was. But anyways, these are super cute. So you can kind of like, for me, I can see these being really good because I can put one of the little tea lights on a piece of paper and I can write my scent notes for like something that I'm going to review or talk about or whatever. So I really feel like I need some more of those, which is bad. I have to do taxes today or this week. I just realized, you know, they did extend the date, but I just kept thinking, oh, it's in July, so far away, right? And then I always put off taxes because I feel like we always owe, so it's never fun. It's never fun to like find out like what you're gonna owe. So I've been avoiding it really. I love the days back like in the early stages of my life when we used to get money back and it was great. It was like, woo, you know. But anyways, okay, so this restock was super cute. She did like game controllers and kind of did like, I think this was supposed to be, oh gosh, I can't remember if it was like, oh, it was Pac-Man. Yeah, Pac-Man. This to me kind of reminds me of like Tetris. I think that's maybe what this is supposed to be. But anyway, she hand put those little pieces in line there and I was just like, holy crap. So anyway, so the first thing I grabbed is this little mini loaf in Coffee House blackberry butter cookie and zucchini bread. So she had a couple other scents in this style, but this is the one that sounded most appealing to me. I kind of wanted to grab a few of the things that she was making special because they look super cute. So, and there's a lot of glitter on here too. It's pretty. So this one I mostly get the blackberry jam butter cookie, or blackberry butter cookie is what it says. I get a little bit of coffee. Her zucchini bread is really good, but I don't really smell it too strongly in here. It's mostly, for some reason, blackberry jam cookie takes over everything else. So that's fine. Let me dump this out. She put it wrapped up really nice in this cute cellophane bag, so that was really sweet. So one of the things I got, I really like her zucchini bread scent, and I wanted to grab one of these flowers in Zucchini Bread Royale. Yeah, and I think this one is the one with the cookie. I think the other zucchini bread, I think she has a zucchini bread something else, and it's mostly her zucchini breads. I think Zucchini Bread Royale has a little bit of that sugar cookie in it. So this one smells really good. Plus the flower is super pretty. I'm trying to keep these short and sweet today because I feel like I have a lot to do. Okay, the sample was cucumber sea salt in this sweet fan, Asian inspired fan it looks like. And I don't always love cucumber, but this actually smells pretty good. This would be a great bathroom blend. Definitely smell the cucumber in there. I think the sea salt just kind of tempers it down a little bit. Okay, the next thing I got, I have to pull this out because this is super cute. I just thought these were so adorable. And how, like seriously, like the detail on this. So this is the little Nintendo, I think it's supposed to be Nintendo, or Game Boy. I think it may be Game Boy. Don't quote me on these because I was not like a huge gamer. I just had like the basics. I was not like crazy. But this is Pac-Man pineapple cake is what she called it. And just the placement of this, the time it took to do this was super sweet. I don't know how I'm going to be able to melt these, but they're going to make for cute meltdowns, that's for sure. This one just smells good. It's a nice pineapple bakery scent. just enough pineapple and just enough bakery. Yeah, I mean, there's not much to say about that. I mean, pineapple cake is pineapple cake, you know? Not too complicated there, but I like it. I absolutely love this one. I went to the site to see if she had any more because it smells freaking fantastic. I need to stop doing that though. I need to just enjoy what I have, but this is Downy Blue and Vanilla Sandalwood. For some reason, I think I like Vanilla Sandalwood, but I don't think I like just regular sandalwood. I don't know why this smells so good to me, but I don't think I've had a lot of Downy Blue. Now I have had Downy and like Snuggle and things like that, but Downy Blue smells really nice. I think the next time I go to the store, I'll pick up some Downy Blue so I can compare. But you get that nice vanilla sandalwood scent in there. It's just really pretty. And I love the rose. Okay. So the next thing I picked up was Baby Bee Buttermilk in her washboards. 3-pack of washboards. This is the Burt's Bees, I think. Now, I only remember this scent from my daughter, like when she was a little girl. We used to use some of this. We used it for a while, but it wasn't really like really popular and you couldn't find it easily, but this one smells so good. I don't quite know how to describe it. It's got a little bit of like honey notes to it, but not overly honey. It reminds me of a baby, to be honest. Like, it's just a really pretty scent. It's very strong, too. I loved this stuff. When I first smelled it, I think I was at Target, and I was like, oh, man, this smells so good. So I remember I bought it for my daughter, and I loved it. The next one I grabbed, and I meant to, it was so dumb. I had 3 of these in my cart because I asked her to pour this. I said, can you pour some more line-dried lavender? And she was like, sure. So when I was going to check out, or before I checked out, I added this to my cart. I added 2 or 3, and it didn't update. So when I was in a hurry to check out, didn't look, and then I found out I only ordered 1. So I'm so sorry, Tracy, if you happen to be watching this. I feel horrible that I asked you to pour it and I picked up 1. Really, Kim? So line-dried lavender is a mix of, I reviewed this like a month ago. It's a mix of 3 different things, and damn it if I can remember what they are. I feel like it's like sun-dried linen, sun-dried linen, and 2 other things that I cannot remember. I just remember warming this, and it was so good. I do smell, I mean, it's definitely a linen scent. I don't smell a lot of lavender. I think I said that in my review when I reviewed it. It's not really like super heavy on the lavender, at least not to me. Maybe a really clean lavender, but it's not any lavender that I've smelled. So I just loved this. I thought this was great. So I wanted to get some more. I think I listed it as my favorites. Okay, yeah, that was my order. So I kept it small. I did that on purpose because I'm not trying to go nuts. I did do a haul on her back last fall, and I uploaded it, but I never made it public. So I think I'm just going to show these here right now real fast. I grabbed a pie from her and pumpkin pecan cookie bar. I just wanted to show it because she did these last fall, so maybe you can get pumped up for her fall offerings. But I remember how good this smelled. This is kind of spicy. It's definitely got the pecan. I don't smell a lot of pumpkin. Especially since, you know what, I just noticed today, like Bath & Body Works is coming out with their fall stuff, and I was just like, what in the hell is happening? It just turned into July. I'm not ready to say goodbye to summer. It feels like summer never even happened. So there's that. Apple and Pear Crumble was another one, and look at how pretty that is. Like, I don't know if you can see the shimmer. Yeah, these were the only 2 things I'd ordered from her in the fall time, like probably August or September, and then that's kind of when I went on my wax buying or video making hiatus, whatever you want to call it. This one smells really good. It's got a nice, like, subtle apple. It's not super strong. I smell more pear. It'd be interesting to go back to my other video that I did when I initially hauled these. It was just the 2 things, and it would be interesting to see what I smelled then, but this one smells pretty. This is obviously more of like fall inspired scent, but anyways, that's that. So that was my smallish haul. With SEMO, I find that some of her scents are, some of them can be more of like a medium throw, and that's fine with me. I just know to use some of her stuff. Like some of her scents like do really well like in my kitchen, like a bigger area. Sometimes I have to use things in like a smaller area, and that's totally fine with me because I can still enjoy her wax, and I do like that. Sometimes I like to mess around. Like sometimes you just have to mess around with where you warm your vendors, and sometimes you enjoy them in a smaller space. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have ordered from SEMO recently, let me know what some of your favorite scents are. I definitely have a few favorites from her. As I've been warming stuff, I've been pulling out like the favorite things, or I put them in my scent notes now in my down bar when I do my warm review. So if you ever want to go back or look up SEMO, I think it should pop up in the YouTube search bar, maybe, I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye guys.